Excuse me. I just need to finish chewing. So, took a bike ride this morning, and I'm at this local park. It's gonna be a wild ride. My feet are already soaking, but I kind of wanted to get out here early since I see a lot of photographers kind of praise the early bird catches the worm sort of thing. There's a ton of mosquitoes. Anyways, there's a ray of light. How beautiful. I'm gonna put some mosquito spray on and take a picture of that. This will be an interesting video. Alright, and just like that, I missed my opportunity. The ray of sunshine is gone. But that looks pretty cool. Wow. I might quit early, bro. The mosquitoes are already biting the shit out of me. I got one bite on each ear, so that's not fun. They're following me. They're following me, bro. Yeah, that looks neat. Let's get this bread. There's like a weird hanging. What is that? Weird hanging thing. It's got a rope attached to it. Maybe it's for like a run or something. Like maybe there's like a cross country run or something. This is like a point or something. I don't know. It looked kind of weird. So like you can't really see the strings from far away, so it looks like it's just like floating there. Oh, never mind, they're totally visible.
Well, F is for friendship.
I don't even know what this is gonna look like. I don't think I'm gonna do POV stuff, because I mean, the quality of this GoPro is absolute trash. Like compared to some of the other stuff that some YouTubers have. I mean, comparison isn't really good, but still, it's not enjoyable to watch, you know, bad quality video. And the audio is not terrible, but there's still that like high pitch hiss. But I had this little hat mount thingy. Figured I'd try it out. I don't really know how much battery it has, but yeah. Dude, my camera's about to die though. Like it's at 30-something%. Keep on forgetting to charge it. And I swapped out the battery and that one's almost dead too. So, oh well. Mosquito flew in my eye though. They're crazy. I'd like to figure out what bird that was.
'Cause the family is friends. Me and
Yeah, I'm gonna take this thing off. Bro, a mosquito bit my neck, man. This sucks. I don't know if I want to do this anymore. I don't know if I'm ever gonna come back. Someone hit that sign hard. Sheesh. I filmed a college assignment here once. It was like basically trying to use the stuff around to get steady shots. So like what you had to do was put your camera on stuff and use that as basically a tripod in a way. And I can show some footage of that. It was pretty dumb, but who cares?
my sister are pretty good friends. A is for
That little post right there, I did a shot right there of me walking down one of the paths, and the camera was on the post, just sitting there, you know, totally not supported by anything other than the tiny ass post. But there's another shot with that post right there and me coming up and sitting on the bench. That was neat. Alright, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. It's a little sluggy though.
A family gives advice, 'cause Todd needs my family, he will take my advice. That's what family means to me. And
Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end it here after I get these slugs. Okay, bye.
my family. That's what family means to me. And my family.
If we're not a family, then what are we? Just like a group, or?
Hey, U is for